What is up and welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Today, well, it is already the afternoon. It's the end of the day and I am starting off this vlog, but it's okay. We're gonna make do with the content that we get. Alex and I just cleaned up the apartment. I'm almost done. I just have to vacuum a few different spots still, but the vacuum is dead, so I have to let it charge. I really want to try the Tim Biebs today because I've been seeing so many people getting them, and at first I was like, I'm not gonna go get them, like they're just gonna taste like any other Timbits, but the reviews are very mixed, so I kind of want to like make a review of my own. So probably gonna do that in a bit, and then I've got a huge mess over there that I need to pick up, which is gonna be also probably later in this vlog or in one of my next Vlogmas videos. And then I really want to go through my closet during Vlogmas. I don't know if I'm going to do it today or if I'm going to do it this weekend. I'm not sure, so it will depend on my mood. But yes, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. We are going to go get some Tim Biebs and we will see where the rest of the night takes us. All right, I am in the kitchen and I've decided that I'm going to make myself a coffee. I haven't drank coffee yet today and I'm getting tired and I really just want one. So I'm gonna make an iced coffee. Milo, come here. Come say happy Vlogmas to everybody. Say happy Vlogmas, Milo. Say happy Vlogmas. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee. Probably gonna make one for Alex too. Oh, Milo, are you saying happy Vlogmas? Say happy Vlogmas. Bea, are you gonna come say happy Vlogmas? So cute. I love my cats. Anyways, I'm gonna make an iced coffee. And yeah, I thought I would show you guys how I make my coffee because like definitely love my coffees. So yeah, you guys were in the cupboard right behind me. It's kind of embarrassing. No, Bea. Okay, so let's make iced coffee. It's only 3. And if I drink my coffee by 3:30, I'll be fine to fall asleep tonight. So let's make iced coffee. All right, so this is the machine that I have, my Nespresso machine. And then I also have my frother right here. So this is the one that I'm using. It is the Chiaro double espresso, I think. Let me just double check. Yes, the Chiaro double espresso. So we're gonna make this. Here we go. So it's not gonna make a lot. It's probably gonna make like this much coffee. So while that is getting ready, let's make some frothed milk in our little frother here. Okay, so what I use for my frothed milk is I use this coffee enhancer from Starbucks and some oat milk, and I put that in here and then I froth that up and then I add it to my coffee, but I'll show you guys that afterwards. So let's start by frothing these two. So for the creamer, this is about how much I put so we still see the whole wheel that froths. So that's pretty much how much I put. If I put more, it's gonna be super sweet. Also, my coffee is done, so as you guys can tell, like it really did not make a lot, but that is okay. And if I'm making iced coffee, I usually put this much milk, so you can still see just the tip of the little frother, but the rest is pretty much covered up. And then let's froth it. Here we go. There it goes. So now it's like frothing and it gets really nice and like fluffy, and it's really yummy in the iced coffee. Okay, so the frother is all done. So what I do now, because it did make like a lot, is I'm just gonna pour it right into my coffee mug. There we go. So as you can tell, like it pretty much fills it up, and then we put the ice cubes in. And voila, we've got an iced coffee. This is my favorite way to make the iced coffee with my Nespresso. I also love the Bianco Leggero. It's one of my faves. But for the iced coffee itself, I usually put the ice after, because if I let the coffee go over the ice, it usually melts most of the ice. It still turns out really good, but I find that this way is just the way that I prefer. But you really can't go wrong. Just put the ice in before or after. It's not gonna make a difference. So I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffee. Also, I really need to show you what the top looks like. It looks so cute right now because of like the frothed milk on top. And then I'm gonna see if the vacuum is charged enough for me to finish the dining room right here, because that's the last thing I have to do today. Look at how cute this is. Yummy, yummy iced coffee. Also, I got some catalogs from Restoration Hardware, and they came in. I got them like about a month ago, and they came in like last week, I believe. So I just put one on my coffee table, and I need to show you guys because I think it's so cute. All right, so I just got this one right here on the coffee table, and I think it looks so cute, but I also got 2 more. I got these 2 right here, and I thought they were just so cute. So these right here are the 3 that I got, and I am obsessed. I think I'm gonna go with this one on the coffee table, and then I'll definitely find somewhere to put these ones, and I can always like switch them out and use these ones on the coffee table or that one. It really doesn't matter. I can also like pile them up one on top of each other because I think that'll look really cute. But yeah, these are my new Restoration Hardware books, and I think they're so nice as decor, and they were free. All right, I'm in the car right now. My cousin is with me, but she's not in the car right now. We're at the gas station. I'm waiting to go gas my car, and I just noticed I have this huge knot in my hair, which is not cute. All right, we're just gonna hide that and pretend that's not there. She went into the gas station to see. She's looking for something. I'm not sure what. But I'm here to gas my car, and then we're gonna go get some Tim Biebs. Hopefully they have some. Like, I'm kind of thinking about it right now. I'm like, what if they don't have it? So I think we're gonna go to the Tim Hortons right beside my apartment, and then if there's none there, then we'll go to another one, and we'll see. I really want to get them and try them out, but if I'm not able to find them tonight, then I won't like go to every single Tim Hortons. I'll probably just go tomorrow to other ones, or like later during Vlogmas. So hopefully we're able to find them, so we'll see. We shall see. All right, so Amy is in the car now, and we are in the drive-thru for Tim Hortons. So we went to get the Tim Biebs, and they only have the chocolate ones. So I asked for 3 of the chocolate ones, and we are going to another Tim Hortons to get the Tim Biebs because I want Tim Biebs. Like, I want to try them all, and I want the little cute box and everything.
Did you say try them on?
All. Try them all.
It sounded like you said try them on. I was like,
try them on, yeah. No, I want to try them all. So we're gonna do the 3 chocolate ones here, and then we're gonna go get the other ones. I don't understand, why are the chocolate ones still left? I feel like the chocolate would be one of the more popular
ones.
What
are the other flavors? I don't even know what the other
cake,
flavors are.
like birthday cake and like sourdough, I think.
Oh, yum. I was gonna say sour cream because I fucking love sour cream donuts.
I think that's the other one, and I think there's like chocolate chips around it or something like that. So we're gonna get those 3, and then we're gonna try to, I think we're gonna try to call another Tim Hortons to see if they have them, and we're gonna go get those because I really want the cute little box.
There's a box?
Yeah, did you not see the little box that they come in? It says like Tim Biebs on it. Okay, so wish us luck.
The next place.
We're calling the next place to see if they have the Tim Biebs, and then we're gonna go there. I'm excited. We found a Tim Hortons that has all 3 flavors, but we did get the chocolate ones here, and we're gonna get the 2 other flavors at the other ones. So we're gonna go get those. I'm so excited to try them out. I don't have like extremely high hopes, but at the same time, I'm not like, oh, they're gonna be disgusting. Cause like I said earlier, I didn't tell this to you, but the opinions on them are very, very mixed on social media. A lot of people really love them, and a lot of people like don't really like them. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. Anyways, we're gonna head there. I'm currently driving, and I will talk to you once we have them and we are trying them out. Okay, so we ended up going to the other Tim Hortons, and I asked them for the box, but I think they just heard that I wanted the Tim Biebs, so they didn't do like 3 of the other 2 cards. They just gave me a box. When they give me the box, I open it and I notice it's only chocolate and the cake one, and I'm like, wait, like I asked for the other 2. I specifically said
we already have the chocolate one.
We already had
the individual chocolate one.
And I asked for the sour cream and the cake one. Like, I asked for both of them, and they gave me a whole bunch of chocolate ones. So we walked in and asked for another box, so we ended up with 2 because she's like, I have to throw out the ones that like you didn't want. So I'm like, okay, like I will keep them. But the funny thing is, she only put 2 of like the sourdough ones in it, so we only got 2, but that's fine.
Are you sure that there's not?
I'm pretty sure.
Like within the 2 boxes, like yeah, y'en a 1, 2, 3.
That's the cake one.
Yeah, okay, and then the other one.
And then this one has like these 2.
But it might be different. Like we don't know yet. We'll taste it.
She put like so many chocolate ones in this one too.
Like I think said no chocolate ones, please.
I should have asked that, but that's fine. At least we got all 3 flavors, but we ended up with like, I think 23 Tim Biebs. We've got 23 Tim Biebs for $4.
Yeah.
That's freaking incredible.
Okay, so we are filming this clip for the 2nd time because I forgot to turn the music on, and I do not want to get copyrighted. So what we're gonna do is we are going to try the Tim Biebs, and we're going to rate them and say which one we think we would prefer, and then put them in an order. Amy, go first. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I love the sour cream donuts at Tim's, so I'm gonna go sour cream, then I'm gonna go chocolate, and then I'm gonna finish with the cake ones. I changed my vote from earlier just because I remember that I don't really like cake flavored donuts or Tim Biebs because they have the birthday cake one. So I'm guessing they'll taste similar, and I don't like the cake one, so I'm gonna go with chocolate in second and cake in last.
So I don't really like cake usually, but the first time I tried the Tim Biebs, the normal ones, birthday cake, I was surprised. So I'm pretty sure that one will be my favorite, then the sour cream one or that one, and chocolate in third.
Okay, for me I think sour cream, chocolate, and then cake, unless the chocolate tastes exactly like the chocolate Timbit from Tim Hortons. So let's try them out. Let's start off with chocolate. Ooh, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Yeah, so it tastes
It tastes just like chocolate.
tastes literally like the chocolate one.
It literally tastes, yeah, like they said, exactly the same. Let's try the sourdough.
The sourdough? Okay.
Aim and I are sharing one because they only put 2. In like the 23 Timbits that we have, we only have 2 sourdoughs.
Bunch
So
of chocolate.
Aim and I are sharing. And so many chocolates.
This one's the one that's gonna
Can we show
taste
you guys?
like the set.
These are all chocolates.
Even these ones, there's like
this one's gonna be good.
You think
Yeah.
I think this one's gonna be good. Okay, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
There's like a taste. Is there like a weird taste? Do you guys feel like there's a weird
I
taste?
feel like there's a
It's
weird
not
taste.
like bad, but it's like it's there. Like I can taste it.
I'm not sure what it is.
Me neither. Honestly.
It's not bad, but
No, it's I think it's good. Honestly, I think I could have ordered a sour cream glazed donut. I could have blindfolded one of you guys and made you taste the donut and then the Timbit, and it tastes the exact same thing. I always get the sour cream glazed donut because it's
And it
my
tastes the
favorite.
same?
It tastes exactly the same.
maybe
There's
the
no
only difference would be like the chocolate chips on it.
What's on
That's
it?
it.
I've never
Okay.
tasted the sour cream. I didn't even know they made sour cream.
They
That's
do.
weird.
They're no, they're really good.
They're not good. They're not
Yeah,
good.
they're not good.
not bad. They're not bad, but they have that taste there.
They're weird.
Smell
I
these
actually
ones.
feel like
The
they're
cake?
Yeah,
Oh,
smell
cake?
how nice they smell.
Ooh,
Cake is
they
gonna
actually
be-
smell like.
I feel like it's gonna be amazing.
All right, so let's try the cake one. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
There's little sprinkles in it.
Yeah, just like the birthday cake.
Like the birthday cake. Oh yeah. Yep, this one's
I like this
definitely,
one. It's good.
definitely, I like it.
Yeah? Is it your fave? What do you think?
But I feel like it tastes exactly like the chocolate one. It tastes exactly like the original birthday cake.
But
So
I'm telling you guys, it's the same thing for the sour cream one.
I think-
Usual sour cream.
I feel like
and
there's
It's
no difference in the taste.
You want to know what the only difference is on these?
So
They're
what's on
coated.
there?
They're coated
like
with
they're
something else.
coated with something. Yeah,
with like little
basically what it
crumbs.
is.
They were like making the donuts and making all the stuff into Tim Hortons, and they like dropped the donut, and then they were like, oh look, it's like it looks different now that we've dropped it in a bunch of the crumbs of the other foods. So they're like, let's make these the Tim Biebs. Okay, what's the rating?
I think I stand my ground.
Which one did you-
exactly?
you
So
say?
I said birthday cake first, and yeah.
Sourdough.
But honestly, I'm hesitating with the two others. I didn't really like the sourdough. Honestly, there was a weird, like, I feel like there was a weird aftertaste, or like just a weird taste in general. And the chocolate one, it's just a classic. So I think I would actually switch them up. I preferred the chocolate one than the sour cream.
Yeah. Okay, so you got what was your rating?
So birthday first, chocolate, and then the sour.
And then you put sour first and then chocolate last when you first said you thought
switched
you were.
them.
Okay, and what about you?
I'm really not a sweet tooth. I'm not much of sweet. And I don't know if that's why I'm gonna rate it like this, but my favorite really was the chocolate one. Which is
Because
kinda
it wasn't
surprising.
as sweet,
Because it
right?
wasn't sweet.
Oh, I
Exactly.
totally
Chocolate
agree.
isn't sweet.
I 100%
So-
Well,
agree.
that's why I think.
You know
it was
what? I'm
higher
glad
as
that
well.
we only have chocolates left now because
Yeah,
yeah,
we're
we'll be
gonna
able to
eat
finish
Oh,
them.
wow. Eat
But
all of these.
I'll eat this one.
Do this.
I like the chocolate ones.
It's your best.
I'd go with like
This is my
maybe
box.
sour cream. I can't decide. I don't know. Both of
You
them
can't
are like
decide.
kind of like
similar.
Well, I mean, you say you prefer the sour cream, right?
Because
well,
I like the donut.
You like the
I like the sour cream donut, which is
Mm-hmm.
like a bigger Timbit, I guess. But like, I don't know, like it's what I like, but it's really when I'm craving something sweet. I don't know.
Okay.
They're really sweet.
I would go chocolate first for sure, because just like she said, like I literally feel sick right now because of how sweet those two last ones were.
Me too.
And the chocolate one is really not as sweet, so I would 100% go chocolate first, and then I would do I don't know. I think like it would I it's just I preferred the chocolate. But honestly,
Just
like we
chocolate.
said, it's literally the same Timbits that they have, but they like just rolled them in like this different sort of glaze with little chunks on them. That's literally what they are, and one of my fave is the chocolate, so I would stick with chocolate, and then the other two I really didn't love. I wouldn't order them again. They're way too sweet for me.
Okay, so here's the big question. Are they overrated or underrated?
Ugh, overrated. These
Overrated,
are so,
that's-
but they're not, you know what? I don't
definitely.
feel like they're overrated because
No, people
everyone
just wanted
is
to try
split.
them.
No, people are split on
Yeah,
their
no, that's
opinions
true.
on these. People are like, they're so good, and then other people are like, nah, they're really not that good. So it's very, very split. So I feel like they're not overrated.
I think they're overrated. I
Yeah,
feel like
well,
all the people that are like, oh my god, they're so good. I'm like, what's good about them? Like there's
what's
a little
that-
fluffy
yeah.
stuff on it.
We had 3, and I'm like, yeah, that's
I don't
enough.
like. I feel sick.
That's
I'm like, I
enough.
can't. Look, that was too sweet for me. They were good, but like just way too sweet. So I don't feel like they're overrated. I just feel like since the opinion is very split on it, it's just like the people who have a sweet tooth really like them. The people who have less of a sweet tooth don't like them as much. I don't think they're personally overrated, but I do understand like your point of view. Like I 100% like understand it. Also, I just noticed we're like red and like sort of white
my
and
God,
green. It's so
I was
cute.
gonna say that.
Christmas. All right. If you guys have tried the Tim Biebs, like leave a comment down below. What is your opinion on it? Because well, I don't know. Like I'm just like I'm not getting them again for sure. But I rarely get Timbits.
Yeah, we don't usually get
like
any.
last time was in
I
like
don't
the
even
beginning of
remember.
spring. I think it was like in March. Last time I got Timbits was in March, and I was craving them. So yeah. Let us know what you thought about the Tim Biebs.
What is up? I am in my kitchen right now, and you can probably hear someone talking over me. I'm actually on a Zoom, kind of like a Zoom. It's a holiday styling virtual event from Dynamite, and I am doing it right now. I'm actually gonna shut the volume off, and it's like super interesting. They tried on so many different outfits, just like so cool, and they're doing something right now. Not sure what they're doing.
All right, let's do it.
What are they doing?
Erin, Maddie, you are the winner of the $100 gift card.
Cool, they just gave away a $100 gift card. That's so cool. Oh my god, this event was so cool. They did so many styling different things, and they gave like their perspective on like the sizing and everything. They had different models trying them on. This thing was like so cool. I do believe that they had it like in the past years, but like this is the first year that I've been able to do it because it was in person in Montreal, and I don't live in Montreal, so this was like really cool and really fun to participate in. So, and it just finished, like the Zoom literally just closed, and we're gonna watch a Christmas movie. We just made burgers, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go eat, and I'll talk to you later. What is up? I forgot to end Vlogmas day 4, so I'm coming on here to end it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. I am posting until December 25th every single day, and I've got a lot of exciting content and a lot of clothing hauls coming. So if that's anything that interests you, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.